The secret business model that turns car debt into company shares. I'm Ilya, I'm founder of ILIMOTOR Automotive Company, and I'm going to talk about this. How is it possible? I'm pioneering a business model that customers become shareholders when they purchase a car via ILIMOTOR. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to buy a car now. If you come invest the total amount at ILIMOTOR, we are going to issue you shares of the company, okay? And then we are going to give you the car for free. Why free? Because the money you put at the company is an investment. You don't buy a car from ILIMOTOR, do you? Okay? And then ILIMOTOR is going to give you the car that you want or you love or you choose for free. Look, you're going to become the owner of the company and you're going to become the owner of the car. I mean the co-owner of the company, not the sole owner of the company. So here you're going to have an opportunity to make money. Or in other words, your car debt that maybe you don't have money, or maybe you have a little bit money, you have to use financing, to pay monthly. In this case, you are also paying interest on top of your debt. But with ILIMOTOR, you don't have debt. You have only investment. Half. Let's say you want to buy a car to pay monthly. You can buy this via ILIMOTOR. You can pay monthly. But instead of paying monthly as a debt, you are going to pay as investment. You're going to pay as an investment to the company ILIMOTOR if you want to buy your own car, and we are going to deliver to you the car as well. By the way, the car will be considered as a gift or for free, by the way, okay? But you are going to pay for purchasing the shares of the company. Here, what do you think? Do you think is it a good idea that you stop your car payments, debt, and start building wealth? Instead of paying debt, start paying as an investment really to ILIMOTOR, and beside that, ILIMOTOR is going to give you the product for free plus stocks of the company, and then later you're going to receive dividends, you're going to receive benefits for your shares. The money will be deposited in your account because you are the shareholder of ILIMOTOR. And you also enjoy driving the car that ILIMOTOR has given to you as a gift. This is exactly what we are doing at ILIMOTOR. That's all. If you want to learn more, check other videos that we have. Check our website. You can book a free consultation with ILIMOTOR. You can go to ilimotor.com, put your name, email, phone number, and our team will contact you for a free consultation. And beside that also, you can ask your questions. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to read them. I'm going to reply also. And beside that also, be happy, love you all, watch the videos that are going to pop up here or here. Till the next one.